Hey y'all, how y'all doing today? So it is Sunday, the 27th of February, and I have a little experiment here. So I saw this video on YouTube that talked about trying to figure out if your soil is acidic or alkalinic. And I figured I would do this test. So basically what you do is you go out to your garden, wherever you want to plant, and you get some dirt soil, I should say, from that area. And you're going to do two things similar to the test that, or the approach that you would do to clean your kitchen sink on a monthly basis, where you may throw vinegar and baking soda down the sink to clean it out. This is the similar process. You, of course, are not going to do both ingredients in one cup. It's suggested that you do distilled water. I'm on well water presently, so I'm going to use well water instead of distilled water. And the intent is to basically, you're going to throw the water into the cups. So I'm going to throw half in the soil that I got from one side of the bed. And we're going to stir it up. And then in one of the cups, you're going to put baking soda. And in the other cup, you're going to put the white distilled vinegar. And basically, you're listening for that reaction that you would get when the baking soda and the vinegar combines, as you would when you're throwing it down your sink. Now, after this has been diluted, we're going to test this out. Keep in mind that I did not get as much soil. I probably only went down an inch because the soil is still frozen in my area. But if you do decide to do this process, I would suggest you go about 2 inches, maybe 3 inches down, see what happens. Now, if you're trying to see the pH level or find out the pH level of your soil, then I would suggest you buy the test off of Amazon or one of the big box stores. That's not my intent. My intent basically right now is just to see what the chemical reaction would be, whether it be alkaline or acidic. If you had looked at any of my previous videos, you'd see that I'm trying to get a berry patch going. I had previously bought some berry plants last year. I was stationed somewhere else, didn't bring them home in time to plant. They died. So this year I'm starting fresh. I have a spot picked out where I want to grow mulberries, elderberries, raspberries, blueberries, blackberries, aronia berries, lingonberries. You name the berry, and I'm interested in growing it. So that being said, let's try this and let's listen and see if we have a chemical reaction. So first, we're going to throw in the vinegar, which is going to tell us if it's some acidity to that soil. Didn't hear anything, didn't see anything. All right, let's try the baking soda. Didn't hear anything, but I think it was more activity on the alkalinic side. So my intent when I do decide to plant these berries in that patch, it would be to add salt, acidifier, sulfur, anything that's going to enrich that soil with more of an acid base. Now, if I want to actually go out and find out what the pH is for that soil, like I said, I would purchase the soil tester, the pH tester, but that's not my intent. So that's probably something I won't do. So that being said, nothing much happened there. I think it's more alkaline in the soil. I do have a raised bed that when it warms up anyway, I'll try to run this test again. Well, anyhow, I can't say that's a pass or a fail. Most likely a fail, but you guys have a blessed day. Thanks.